Hi, thank you for watching our video. We are very happy that you...
Stop! Ever wonder if the voice on the phone matches your brand? Phone etiquette is essential for projecting a good company image and increasing sales, yet businesses often neglect the first point of human contact with their customers. The fact is, poorly treated or misinformed customers don't buy and immediately form a bad opinion of your business. And in the internet age, those opinions travel far and fast. Phone Ninjas offers professional phone training that converts more opportunities into sales, increases customer satisfaction, and enhances your company image. Rather than performing role-play scenarios or giving lectures, we take a proactive approach to training by recording and analyzing live inbound and outbound phone conversations. Phone Ninja's proprietary software allows our coaches to insert feedback at precise points in a call recording and sends detailed daily feedback to employees and their supervisors for corrective feedback and to monitor progress. And by learning through real-life calls, your employees quickly gain confidence, can answer questions more effectively, and are equipped to handle the most difficult customers, not just regurgitate the same old sales scripts. Make Phone Ninjas your next call and discover the easy and affordable way to build better customer relationships and boost sales.